Step behind the bar at Gold Bar Distillery and learn to craft signature cocktails in the heart of the San Francisco Bay. Located in the former Pan Am Airport from the late 1930s, this Art Deco-inspired distillery and tasting room will transport you back to a time of luxury with stunning views of the San Francisco skyline, with the option to arrive by ferry.
All right, folks, welcome to our cocktail class.
Our expert instructors will guide you through the art of mixology using our award-winning and local Gold Bar whiskey. Whether you're a seasoned sipper or new to cocktail culture, you'll leave with skills, stories, and your own custom creations. We look forward to hosting you for this hands-on, immersive experience where you'll learn to make classics like the whiskey sour, old-fashioned, and paper plain.
We're going to pour our drink into here.
Along the way, you'll enjoy tastings of our most popular and unique whiskeys, as well hear fun stories about the history of Treasure Island and San Francisco. Don't miss out on an unforgettable team-building activity for corporate groups and large parties.
Cheers!